Hello! If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for new projects and ideas. This time we are going to be unpacking a Miller welder and show you what's in the package. Remove all packing pads and make sure not to throw away any parts. I will leave a link on the description for the online store for this welder and all the welding supplies you might need. This welder is about 64 pounds. It comes with 3 handles to make things easier moving it around. Ask for help if you need to, or cut the box all the way down. This is a millermatic 141 MIG welder, 40 amps 120 volts. On the front side, we have the setting knobs, and gas line connection and power plug on the back. The serial number is located on the back side of the welder. If you are new to welding, or this is your first time welding, there is a lot of information on the side door. How to set the welder for whatever thickness that you are going to be welding, or whatever material, steel, flux, or aluminum. Here is the part list that comes in this package. It comes with Miller gun liner, regulator gauges, gas line, clamp for ground, tools to replace the tips on the gun, 1 wire spool, two contact tips, 1 thickness gauge, and 1 manual book, with all the information about the welder, and customer support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos.